Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Buzz Balloon is probably one of the most versatile and exciting party accessories you can add to any celebration, offering a unique way to create a festive atmosphere that guests of all ages will enjoy. Imagine the delight on faces as these vibrant balloons float and dance, transforming a simple gathering into an unforgettable event with their playful charm and eye-catching appeal. This isn't just a decoration, it's an experience designed to elevate your party from ordinary to extraordinary, ensuring smiles and lasting memories. Number 5. 100 PCS Clear Long Latex Balloons. Get ready to twist and shape. These premium quality balloons are perfect for creating fun balloon animals, sculptures, and decorations. Ideal for kids' parties, carnivals, and magic shows, you can easily transform them into animals, flowers, swords, hats, and more. Made from durable latex, these balloons are designed for modeling balloon art and decorating any event. They are easy to inflate with a balloon pump. To ensure they last, simply leave some space when inflating and release air gently to avoid popping. These long balloons are not just fun, they help develop children's creativity and motor skills as they learn to make balloon animals. Experience premium quality with these transparent, long balloons, perfect for beginners and experienced balloon artists alike. What we like? If you love twisting balloons into fun shapes, these are for you. They are perfect for creating balloon animals and sculptures. If you are looking for a fun activity that also helps develop creativity and motor skills, especially for kids, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The balloon is very easy to inflate and deflate, making it convenient for storage and transport. The durable material ensures that the balloon can withstand rough play without popping easily. Its bright and attractive colors make it visually appealing to children, encouraging active play. Number 4. Silver No. 2 Balloon 40-inch. Make any party theme shine with these versatile balloons. We suggest using multiple balloons in different areas to create a festive atmosphere, from the entrance to your photo booth. These large, eye-catching balloons are perfect for creating a vibrant backdrop for photos. They add a stylish and memorable touch to any celebration. Easily inflate them with helium for a floating effect or with air for simple hanging. They are ideal for celebrating a second birthday for any child. The radiant silver color adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any event. It creates a captivating focal point for your celebration. Inflate and deflate them with ease using a straw or helium. The self-sealing valve makes them simple to use and reusable for future parties. What we like? If you need a statement piece for a second birthday or anniversary, this is it. The large size and shiny silver color make it a great photo backdrop. If you want a reusable decoration that adds elegance and sophistication, consider this balloon. What people say. The Buzz Balloon is a fun and engaging toy that keeps kids entertained for hours. The balloon inflates quickly and is very durable, withstanding rough play. It features a unique buzzing sound when it moves, adding an extra layer of excitement. Number 3. Anagram Toy Story Buzz Lightyear Supershape Balloon. Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure. This Supershape balloon brings the beloved character to life. It's perfect for any Toy Story fan celebration. Featuring the unmistakable design of Buzz Lightyear, this balloon is a showstopper. Its Supershape makes it larger than life and incredibly eye-catching. Add a touch of galactic fun to your next party. This balloon is ideal for birthdays, themed events, or just to surprise a special someone. Crafted by Anagram, you can expect excellent quality and durability. This balloon is designed to impress and last throughout your event. Inflating this balloon is a breeze, whether with air or helium. It's ready to join the fun in no time, making party preparation simple. Make your celebration truly memorable with this fantastic balloon. It's sure to be a hit and create lasting memories for everyone. What we like? If you're a fan of Toy Story or looking for a special character balloon, this is a must-have. Its unique Supershape design makes it stand out. If you want to add a touch of a beloved character to a themed party, this is the perfect addition. What people say. The Buzz Balloon is a fun and engaging toy that provides hours of entertainment for kids. Its unique design and bright colors make it visually appealing, and the balloon feature adds an exciting element of surprise. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play, making it a long-lasting addition to any toy collection. Number 2. Buzz Lightyear Toy Story Disney 35 Mylar Balloon. Get ready for an out-of-this-world celebration. This large balloon is perfect for any fan of Toy Story. Make a grand entrance with this impressive 35-inch Mylar balloon. It's sure to be a centerpiece for any birthday party. Add a touch of Disney magic to your event. This balloon brings the beloved character to life. Surprise your little one with their favorite Space Ranger. It's a fantastic way to make their birthday extra special. Inflate it and let the fun begin. This durable Mylar balloon is an easy and exciting addition to your party decor. You can trust the quality and authenticity. This is an officially licensed Disney product, bringing you genuine character fun. What we like. If you're planning a Toy Story-themed birthday, this balloon is essential. It features the iconic Buzz Lightyear character. If you want a large, eye-catching balloon that perfectly captures the spirit of the movie, this is the one to get. What people say. The Buzz balloon is a fun and engaging toy that provides hours of entertainment. Its unique design and vibrant colors make it visually appealing to children. The balloon inflates easily and is durable enough for active play. Number 1. Yellow Red Blue Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our colorful balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. It includes a variety of sizes and colors to create a stunning display. Crafted from non-toxic, durable latex, these balloons are designed to last. They hold air or helium beautifully, ensuring your decorations stay vibrant throughout your event. Creating a beautiful balloon arch is simple with our easy-to-use kit. It includes all the accessories you need for a fun DIY project for all ages. This versatile kit is ideal for birthdays, baby showers, and any themed party. Add a fun and exciting touch to your special occasions. Your happiness is our priority. We are here to help with any questions or concerns, ensuring your decorating experience is stress-free and memorable. What we like. If you want to create a festive and vibrant party atmosphere with minimal effort, this arch kit is ideal. It includes fun cloud and cow patterns for a playful touch. If you are looking for a versatile decoration for birthdays or baby showers that is easy to assemble, this kit will bring your theme to life. What people say. The Buzz balloon is a fantastic toy that keeps my kids entertained for hours. It's easy to set up and the balloon inflates quickly. I love the design of the Buzz balloon. It's colorful and durable, and the kids can play with it indoors or outdoors. The Buzz balloon is a great way to get kids active. They love chasing it around and trying to catch it. It's a fun and engaging toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.